What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. Right now we are standing in the lot of Silvercrest. Silvercrest is one of the best manufactured home builders, manufacturers in the Western United States, if not the entire country. But they're getting ready to get rid of these two models. We toured this second home just a minute ago, so make sure you check out the channel so you could view that tour. That is a Genesis. Now we're going to be going inside of this Kingsbrook. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. This home most likely will go in on private land. A lot of homes that we do go in leased land communities, but this is a great home for private land. I wanted to make sure you saw this home another time. We did a second time. We did tour this home a long time ago, but before the Silvercrest sells it, we wanted to get you inside so that you could tell us what you think. There are so many upgraded features in this home. I mean, look at the board and bat right there. You got the board and bat there. Love the clear story dormers. They allow a lot of natural light. I just gave you a sneak peek of that kitchen. This kitchen is amazing. It is one of my favorite. But take a look at this dormer with those clear story windows up top. Those allow, and then you got the clear story windows over there. They allow a lot of natural light. I love this home. It is a very cozy, homey home, and it's large. They got the fireplace with the mantle. Someone was out, there's the kitchen. But someone earlier that I was just showing this home to in person was asking where the TV would go. I would put the TV right there. But you could put it anywhere you'd like. So this is such a glamorous kitchen, a humongous kitchen island. Look it's got a wine rack, some decorative storage. You can put pots, pans, gooseneck faucet with the single cell sink. Look at that. Dishwasher, microwave, and more drawer space. This is a huge kitchen island. People love it. Tell us what you think. But now let me share the rest of the kitchen with you. I love these clear window doors. We have tiled backsplash, solid surface countertops, large windows. Natural light is what we love here in Southern California. Look at that chef range hood, so beautiful. I mean, they just did an amazing job with this home. I really do love it. It's one of my favorite. That's why we're showing it again. Even a family that I just showed the home to, the kids loved this kitchen island. They said that they would love to do their homework here, which I thought was pretty amazing. What kid loves to do homework? I know I didn't. But remember, we do new home tours every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. This is a very large utility room. We added the sink. So many of you are like, why is there a sink in here? You would be surprised how many people love when they add the sink. Most people don't even know it until they have it. So they come back and thank me later. But if you have room, put that in. So here is the 3rd bedroom. This is a large bedroom. It's set up as a kid's room, but you can easily fit a queen or even king size bed in here. So it is plenty big. Tell me what your favorite thing about this home is in the description. It's appreciated. Also, if you hit that like button, but Only hit that like button if you like this video, and if you want to, even if you don't like it, if you want to help me out and support me, help me grow, help us grow, hit that like button. You'd be surprised how many times we take into consideration. Well, we always take what you have to say into consideration, but there's a lot of times we execute the suggestions that you make. So your opinion is very highly valued here at the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Here's the guest bathroom. Again, beautiful tile shower. Looks like a wood grain. You got the vanity, the sink. Look at this detail. It's just so nice. We added the window in the shower. That's an option. Some people don't want that window. We always add a window in the... We're going to get a couple different angles. A beautiful large room. But again, in the other video of the other home tour, you saw all those barn doors. There is another barn door. Barn doors are so popular. What do you think? Do you like the barn doors? No offense taken if you don't prefer them. Check this out. I love the shower. Beautiful glass mosaic tile. They did such a wonderful job. Oh my gosh, that is picture perfect. But this is one of the best master bathrooms I've ever seen. I'm so happy that I get to show you guys this one last time. And check out this master closet. It is so big. My gimbal's dying on me, guys. I apologize. But look at the light is turned off. That is called a solar tube light. Look how much natural light it allows. I highly recommend putting a solar tube light in master bedrooms, small spaces, closets, walk-in closets, hallways, over the showers, but they add a lot of value. And this is about to conclude for the Kingsbrook 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home tour built by Silvercrest. Thank you, Silvercrest, for letting me show this home. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We're here for you. And hit that like button. See you next time.